What if you could design a production-ready website like this, completely using AI for free? That's exactly what we're doing today using Google Stitch and Google Antigravity connected through MCP. This is a fresh anti-gravity project with the agent window open. Click the MCP servers option, search for Stitch, and hit install. It will ask for a Stitch API key. Let's go get that now. Switch over to Google Stitch, open settings, and scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll find the API key section here. If you don't have one yet, just hit create. Copy that key. We're heading straight back to Antigravity. Back in Antigravity, paste the copied API key into the Stitch API key field and complete the installation. Now open the MCP tools section and you'll see all the Stitch connected functions listed right here. These are the exact functions Antigravity will use to control Stitch. Once you've confirmed the connection, go ahead and close the MCP servers panel, and just like that, type at in the agent window and Stitch MCP is directly available, ready to use. Now I'm copying a pre-built prompt for a single page website from a chat window and pasting it directly into the Antigravity agent. I'll scroll up and edit the prompt to include a Stitch design reference so the agent knows to build the design there. Select your model and hit run. The agent starts executing. It connects to the Stitch MCP, and if you expand the thinking log, you can see it's already created a brand new Stitch project with a name and is actively sending design commands to it. Switch over to Stitch and you can see the new project that Antigravity just created entirely through MCP. Watch as commands come in live. Is building out the color palette first, then laying out the mock screens section by section, all driven by the agent with zero manual input from us. Back in Antigravity, when the agent is still running, you can follow the prompt progress in real time, and then the final execution summary appears, confirming that every task has been completed successfully. And here it is. Switch back to Stitch, and you have a fully designed, production-ready web page built exactly to the prompt. Every element, every section, every color, all there. This design can be downloaded directly from Stitch, or you can go back to the Antigravity agent and prompt it to generate a local code copy and keep building from here. All of this completely free.